Hello, today's dinner is gonna be quinoa salad, and all you need is veggies. I've chosen cherry tomatoes, avocado, mushrooms, colored peppers, bell peppers, and zucchini, and garlic. I hope you guys try it. Stay tuned. So now I'm gonna saute the mushrooms for like 5 minutes with coconut oil. I'm gonna just add a little bit of salt and pepper. It's just quick. Now I'm sauteing the zucchini. I cut them sliced like this. You can cut them however you like. I just marinated them with salt, pepper, and oregano. So I'm going to just cook them for 5 to 7 minutes or so. So now I'm adding the quinoa, and I'm going to cook it for 4 to 5 minutes. It's a red and white quinoa. So now I'm sauteing the red and green bell peppers. And I added the garlic as well. And I'm going to saute the same in like 5 minutes or so. So now I just added the tomatoes, the cherry tomatoes and green tomatoes. Just a 2-minute saute. We're not going to do them all. Just to give it a little bit of flavor from the other veggies that we sauteed. So now I scooped up the avocados with a spoon. It's super easy to do, like, especially when they're ripe to perfection. And then I cut them into slices. And I'm gonna add them to my quinoa salad. Voila! So this is the end result of my quinoa salad. So we have red and white quinoa. We have peppers, like green and red peppers, mushrooms, 2 types of tomatoes, green and cherry tomatoes, avocado and zucchini. And they look delicious, and they are delicious. I hope you guys give it a try. Bon appetit!